Hello, shall we begin? Firstly, the fringe area should be contained underneath the headband, and make any minor adjustments along the way if you see fit. Then section half of the hair into a ponytail and form a loop. Once the loop is stabilized, fan out the loop by pulling both ends until it forms a semicircle and secure it. For the back portion, twist the excess upwards and secure the base. Once the base is fixed, with the remainder of the hair, push it upwards and coil the ends. As usual, pin this in place and mold it to your liking. The results, however, will vary from person to person. Other than that, thank you for watching, and best of luck on attempting this hairstyle. Goodbye.